mala karun wang chai nyor ko dung dit media ga changa jandang ra wude die ka pai wal karon kimi dang ra wude jandang ra wude die an mak bangut gok ba ye nong la de kon la no ye ni shang ka dung dit media ka den tho ka Junub Sudan ka ne win mo na na do dien en wala ga changa jandang ra wude die ka pai wal dung dit media tere la de nong ye ko lo ga jube la luk doctor yang ma char kan ne dang baro do kon ja ga kel ko pan cha ga roi ga ye ko de cha ga nong la te kon te cha ngot ko changa wal ngwan dien ni sinur ka nat mo do cha kap jok aw nyo ko nyur ni ko jelat mo lo ni changa jandang ra wude baro ka pai kan wa mo te lo kon malat jo do ni nang ra wuti bana wo jeg ni ko changa jandang ra wude baro en ba wo tong ne je ka luk en wala ko dung dit media cher mana lar ne ba ga roi ko ne dang jok ba ga roi ko la ma kol ba ga roi ko ta ban de ngaj ba ga roi ko Ezekiel lol gar ko ken ba ga lar ko dien ken all the stories that we are seeing tin dia lo kon nen kon go online tin lin kon get to go jub about their security status tan da ta gam ni dien ka jub o ta ke di cara ga nen pan amana ni wala nen kon online wo there are things to talk lo ren security ne nang dogo ti ma ken ko rote ne o kien ta under that security threat ko jub ko jum ba ra e kwidien ka kare wo kon de go nung ye as abden ni channe linge ko ni ndang ra wuti ko chaon wuru mi chwale doctor la makol ko dere jien ke jube bad me chawo ko dare de dere wo Nairobi me chawon bad 4 time ko ngwan la we ko matar ko dere wo kot dere wo Nairobi there tele security clearance kana allowed to go out of Juba chawon no ngwan la we ko matar broad read ma wo lo jogo security beben beluni chang now is in Juba ta pen yen ta won pan ta ban de ngai keni di al take a process of order Juba de leap to wherever tong de wo is African country cha wo ro ga yen cha wo chu ko matar ta ban de ngai cha pen yen ka matar because of the security reason tele clearance. So lengaja bo wona ne Ezekiel Olgarkot is trying to sneak out of South Sudan. There a passport Ethiopia, passport America that they use. There a Ethiopia, from Ethiopia, there a go mo wetin. There la wajak. So ne dang dogo tin tama plan e okin. Ta security surveillance ka juba. Siga yen. But I right ke those individuals. What is the reasons and taga under that security threat kaje kajub taban and wale keta nan and the political landscape of South Sudan kajunub kajub the only things to contain la events the nyam not in the table look riang machar ala look riang machar and dagmal Mal 218, because these two things are together. The formation of a special court, Kalugriang Machar, Kadangmala, Ken, it is on the table. A kel, my agenda, national politics. Meraude, a struggle within among the young formation. Struggle now to come Jana Karodian. Group na large go de kume self care de wo ka self care ka interest da ka jang there is a regional interest can kon ja par na de la kamne there is a state within intra that is intra state interest within te ji warap ti tu indi kenda dunda ji go re ala ngode dunda wini ka wilino kurumbik can all this mess tin kon nen kon go struggle go korsal bakir we yen kir ba kamnga so these are the three things key two things the kon daga table right now to Junub Sudan toro implication dien ke security gan if we talk of Dungriang Machar ala luk riang machar ka connection da kana taban da ngaj taban da ngaj is number 1 ka norwew te consoles ko riang machar ba yen ke cha ba yen ajanu kon ling lar ga te kon de lade te je riang machar sheko is a human being me to ko yan ga je dur ba yen mal je dak kan ga ling lar de ale wala na bar ga zel ta da ne roi ga je. So he's the first person who can console jaga nuore ko riang machar ba ko yen malel ga malel and then the way yes yan riang machar is number 1. You know nega do kon lo ga ye. So mi riang machar chom na ga tijin chom na ko lo ko luk de walle ta ban de guys thought I'm free che kuidalat che na lo ko ba riang machar ba yen whatever they want to do let them do it ka riang machar I'm free, don't bajal. Lakin that is not the case. If in the case di, riang machar case the kan to. Ngode. They backfire to people to ko na char kan chara mo ko ba riang machar ba yen. They to ko la bi de pen video. Timunga ra ro da go tare den ye riang machar mo the time today o di yen ngi jube ya be la ram go yin ba nya self kir ngi jube ba lu riang machar. Nigga caught. You will not. I bought love. Go to be an animal talk there. Your contribution up to the last, the joy. We will talk about like your victory together with them. We will talk a joke, but I lose to both of you. Could you contribute? Katada and Ian Gary mature. So Tabana guy check William. She free. He may try everything, go the yen, you know, and whatever. Like he's here free, he will not be allowed to go out because of Luke Riang Machar. But talk 10 years one. Who will go up go at it, and we jerk it in Benengawang. So all these stories to continue in ball. Kanano, the things do Luke Riang Machar. Taban and Gaji in ball. Because talk of Jan. I called the Malacona Lara, what Taban is a Sia, the Ramabum, going to call Lara, teach us a band and guy you bomb there. Sumsar. He tried. He won be done may have been get 216. He would a young. Then come the nigga moke fist none. Then go moke a terry. Only you go sumsar go you la political brokering. So bad dog can they succeed the most which a young council of eldest. Said the shaky. Runde corner to Yere Kumagala first by president. You take one malone. With a misunderstanding plus other development they call the lot. Lakin in reality, Taban guy a guru and a guru quorum your poor self a kid. A chuck there, a samsara can try. So now concentration in a continent. Mateka you go real, take a you tuin, take a you will, take Jamal and Neil, take Mangu. Taban guy want to pit himself, come up. So I wonder the Kambul Mel, Kerjual Falpakir, the center of decision making. She into a nature of will. Shikir can bull mel are marching toward hostility. More open. Taban guy at a kamamo. Will call bull mel, kire. Will do the kel kir, bull mele. So he's now caught in middle. To quit all Banjara. The end of all this, a name Bulua or the Lat Corner. Malat can make a social media who Bulua is looming. The Betaban and Guy both. So these are the two things we can talk. The issue of Riang Machar, you contribute 100% go by Riang Machar by yen. Now, Mukan Riang Machar talk is not allowed to move. That's what both. A man will talk. We talk a victory did. We talk a joke, a loose did. Secondly, which I want to have come down at this particular time. Cheryl, now take a meeting. She ran care, she ran bullmel. Security the Kelly would have said, I just call Larwood and never end up no blue house. She got a town quite speculate social media. It's true. Lama call made Gania Medan. Made Gania. Lama call is a pure revolutionarist. The system made a jubume. na wa luang ne ba ko le benten chi wo lo ne de lertin be la no nge ne no nge ga gwatot mat ga ne ni be wa no nge are ma char wa yen fa mo ga lan me tot about 3-4 months la ma ko la watch ana ya wo jen tame te be wielded direction de ni aloy dor ke ta kel ga Salva Kiir ke nyur chang you don't know what may happen go ro da yen de lo nyu dor ga ta da la nyur yen won lakin win it's too late te contribution bo ke yere ma char ka ne de ko kuma support ko let us continues with peace agreement mi jare ma char yen tin is one person one ga wo ga peace agreement ga par ko ga mangu da ma ko jo contribute to iden ngator ulu ndang mala is a part of it yere ma char is a part of it revolution ne da ne ga jange kana is a part of that revolution is now in the middle tell a way out tell ro mi cho de yambu wa yara lo gar ko chuop ke chi ko tok te di wa ko dong de jang la ke la kon rai ni chiang ko lol cha bu no ga jang ko lol cha je ga jang ko ram won she innocent no era won ko no cha on na ken mi on na ken tru ta ban de ga cha jang cha ko kwal ngwa ka jang lu ko won go le ma no won dien so cha on ga wa bor ni la de la lin kon ga la de ni chiang e wo ba ma ko tel bakir ba ri a point tu la ko de no re ga lakin now che chup ka ta ban de ga ya no ma ne jen je which is in there jo kan contributing factors te yan ga rew ma char a part of it kan no re ko console ga ne ma ba rew ma char ba yen so now ka je there jo che tarar gwa wata ba da ga tino ba wotin mi yan ga ta ba da ga ma ne jen mo bulu house ko bu succeed kan ke du rew ma char ma ne jen is a part of that victory kan ele kondin mo ga rew ma char ga problem so ne to ga under threat ke jube ala security threat ti chana ga lenga ndi ala kon la rodian cerga ta da nen en chinai ke kalat ke je ka te ko ken chana ga nen ken all the detail of look update ne ga dial ta na cha ga update ke je office of the first vice president cha ga share ye ga dung din media du ga gwi ken dial ko toro ajen pek lo ke pan the 14th station ajen da ya ga share ga ye in the script me cha gor ko no ajen the basic update me de no ye wale ko dung din media ga gwaron wangam sire min cha ga lar ko to lo kon ba ga la de long ko kuy lo ko jube ko ban ma jek ka changa kel ga jo ko kontino bulu ni changa jana ru baro ko pay wal an wala de go cholo kan abde ni ko tiri kilo ya te ko cha ko ling shukran